at, well, somewhere up there is Mickey Mantle's Steakhouse. I'm trying to get them to take us there, but all these women showed up and they're taking over control. Oh, look at this, isn't this pretty? Check out that artwork. There's the Mickey Mantle Steakhouse.
But you guys made it fast.
It smells good in there too.
There we go. Ugly. What?
That's where I want to go. Where are we going to? Where are we going? Coyote Ugly, right?
Yeah.
Coyote Ugly.
It says if it's nightlife here. Oh, is it cute ugly?
No, not found it.
Oh, look at those bars. And here we go. Hey, Zena. Okay.
Can you cut on this fan right here?
You're welcome.
I'm gonna have you
Drink it
switch
up.
that spots, okay? Yeah, chug, chug, chug.
Thank you.
Alright, you want to switch seats?
So you got our situation. What's your name?
My name is Itty. I actually didn't get names.
Woo!
Alright. Now we're vlogging. Zena, you spell it Z-E-N-A?
Yeah.
Okay, wonderful. Dad, stand up. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
He's getting
Alright,
nervous.
so, Zena, can I have your man's shirt? I'll let you hold it and I'll get it. Can I have it back? Fine. Turn around. You all set?
Get my son. Come here. Paul.
Dad,
You're in the room.
you're the vlogger.
He's in the room.
Nice going.
Alright, let's go. What's your girlfriend's name?
Skylar.
Skylar? Alright, let me see this shirt. You're gonna have to,
Take it all the way
yeah,
out.
you're gonna have to cut the beginning of the vlog out.
Alright. I got that. I'll do that.
Okay? So it's Skylar, S-K-Y-L-R. Yeah, alright. Yeah. I'm into tattoos. So you are officially Skylar's cum pocket.
Oh, fucking hell.
Yeah, Skylar, come here, babe.
Yeah, you're next. Where's my shirt? I'll take
I
that
just need you to
back.
hop up here for me, Skylar. Where you going? You got a body shot.
Wait, oh! Get over there!
Oh, I'm doing a body shot?
There you are. Hey, Jesse.
When in Oklahoma. Yes.
Just like that.
Oh God, bless America! Zach, turn your
Better have this good.
Your biggest head.
My head? Biggest head.
Oh, your biggest head. That body shot. Hey, yo, wifey.
I did it, you gotta do it. It's not
But I
that
got
bad.
something special for you. Yeah, just like that.
Alright, where's my shirt at?
I don't know actually. Alright, you're gonna have to see first, baby girl.
I can have
I'll take
Good
it.
job, man, boss.
I can do that.
How are we doing that? Okay, hop up here. Oh. Are we doing like
Giddy up. Giddy up, man.
giddy up, giddy up?
My knees are too old for this shit.
Okay, stay right there on your knees.
Alright.
Alright. Hands behind your back. You're gonna take this shot coyote style, alright?
Coyote style.
Yep,
Oh,
coyote.
wait, with my mouth.
Alright.
I already know this because I watched the movie.
There you go.
Too many times in my mouth.
There you go. Hands behind your back though.
Alright.
We want to see you arching. Let's go.
Oh, not that.
Sit down right there.
Shit.
We love it when they put their hair in the ponytail, dude.
Oh, no. We got a few more to stop after this.
There you go.
Oh no.
There you go. She's got
Best vape in the world. She's
Oh,
blowing.
fun to run in. That's why I went in.
Alright, so also for the vlog, I want all four of you ladies to get up here and take a picture.
Alright. Yeah, I said I got down.
You gotta go.
Sure. I knew where we fit.
Yeah.
Sorry, gentlemen.
Y'all looking far. Come back to me. Come back to me. Okay. Y'all ready?
Okay, that was quite an experience. Now we're going down to the tiki bar right down below.